Testing, testing. I decided to take y'all shopping with me today. We're going to make 3 stops. First, we're up in Norcross, about 10 minutes north of Atlanta, 10 minutes north of Buckhead. We're at Gail K Fabrics. We're going to swing in here to get some red buffalo plaid and maybe some gray buttons. Then we're going to swing by Fine Fabrics a mile down off Jimmy Carter and get some brown buttons and maybe look at some other fabrics and some interfacing. And then we're going to go to the other Gail K location that's closer to Lenox Mall in Buckhead. So let's get it done. Just 1 yard.
Okay, hold on. I just calculated. This is 25, yeah?
Mm-hmm.
Just 1 year?
Yeah, just 1 today.
Okay. What you make with one?
A jacket.
Oh,
I have some already at home.
Oh, I
Yeah.
see.
I just needed 1 more yard.
Okay, no problem. Okay.
6 of the of this one.
Thay này ở tù rồi chị. Ông có
Okay.
con.
Yeah, that's 6. Got the interfacing. I know the ones I usually get are somewhere. Here they are. These are the ones. These are the ones I usually get. Only plan on getting buttons and it's interfacing from here. I saw this heather purple fabric. And so now I have to get some thread to match that. I could get away with buying 4 of them, but I want to buy 4 for the serger and 1 for the sewing machine.
Hello.
Hello. I think it's about 7. 8 times 3, 24. 24? Mm-hmm. Okay.
I have the white fabric that I got for my.
So we're at the second Gail K Fabrics location. I really don't need anything from here. I had my eye on this sequins, like animal print fabric that I was going to use for a bear. And I just decided to take y'all with me as I go get a yard of it. So let us begin. Hey, how you doing? Not much.
Okay. And you need some, just a little extra there. Do you have like soft like champagne cones? Yeah, I mean every fabric came in a champagne.
I haven't come to this store, who knows, as long as I've been sewing, 10, 11 years. So you got some sequins right there. When I'm making the cardigans, I'm usually over in this section. But we don't need any today. So get out of here, take my butt home, get me some food, I'm a little hungry, then go home, get to work. One thing about buying fabric, if you put it back, if you put the fabric back from the same place you got it from, they appreciate that, and they show you love and give you a little discount here and there, and I'll take it easy on you, but slide it back, and we're done.